Hello everyone. When I open the franchisee management module, the first screen is the dashboard. This is the central summary screen of the full franchisee process. It is useful because it gives the management a fast picture of what is happening across the franchisee network without going into each record separately. This dashboard gives a quick overall view of the franchisee business in one place. Instead of opening many menus one by one, management can use this screen to understand the applications, onboarding, launch franchisee, active unit, finance numbers, and the pending operational alerts. At the top, we can see the main dashboard title. This area works like a control center. It helps the head office quickly understand the current business situation, the pipeline, and the important action that may need attention. Now let's look at the first section, which is a franchisee pipeline and unit. The first card shows a pipeline application. This tells us how many franchisee applications are currently in the pipeline, and it also shows how many new applications came in during the current month. This is helpful for measuring a new franchisee interest and lead flow. Thus, next card is pre-franchisee onboarding. This shows how many applications have already been approved for onboarding but are not yet operationally launched. In simple words, these are a franchisee cases that are moving forward but still need agreement, onboarding, launch approval, or unit activation before becoming fully live. The next card is operationally launched. This is so how many applications have completed the full process and are now launched as a real operational franchisee. This is useful because it separates a serious live franchisee from applications that are still under processing. The fourth card is active unit. This shows the total number of currently active franchisee units. It also gives a quick view of the suspended units, so management can immediately identify if any unit is facing an operational pause. Now, we move to the royalties and financial section. The first card here is the expected royalties. This tells us the total royalty amount generated in the system. It gives a finance and management a high-level view of what is expected from the franchisee operation. The next card is collected royalties. This shows how much royalty has already been paid. This helps compare expected income versus actual collection. Then we have overdue royalties. This is an important finance alert. It shows the royalty amount that is overdue and not yet paid. This helps the finance team quickly identify pending follow-up cases. Now we come to the urgent compliance and support alert section. The agreement expiry card shows how many franchisee agreements are going to expire soon. This is useful for a renewal planning and avoiding a last-minute contract issue. The audit due card shows how many compliance audits are due soon. This helps the compliance team stay on schedule and maintain operational standards across the network. The open support ticket card shows pending support issues raised by franchisee or internal teams. This gives a quick operational support summary so unresolved issues are not missed. The pending staff training card shows how many trainings assignments are still pending. This helps the management ensure a franchisee staff complete a required learning before or during operations. Overall, the franchisee dashboard is useful because it combines the application progress, onboarding status, live franchisee activity, finance monitoring, compliance alert, support workload, and training status in one view. It is mainly designed for a quick decision making by head office, manager, and operational teams. So, this is a franchisee dashboard feature. It acts as a quick monitoring screen for the entire franchisee lifecycle, from new application to launched unit, from royalty tracking to support and compliance alert. Everything important is summarized here in one place. This helps the team save a time, spot a issue faster, and manage the franchisee network more effectively.